Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 16 plate Nissan Juke Acenta. This is the 1.2 turbo petrol, 5 doors, finished in flame red, and it's covered just 24,000 miles. So have a good walk around this super looking Juke, the ever popular Nissan Juke. We get through bucket loads of these. Easy to see why. Nice raised seating position. Plenty of kit. Loads of space. And obviously Nissan. Japanese, reliable. Can't go wrong. 2 owners from new, this one. Just 24,000 miles, like I say. Nice alloy wheels. Virtually unmarked, actually. The alloy's really tidy indeed. Got Michelin tyres on the back there. Excellent service history with this one. It's been serviced 6 times, right the way through its life. Obviously the car's 6 years old now, so bang up to speed on the service history. Thoroughly well maintained. It's the 1.2 turbo petrol with 115 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Really bright looking car. This is the Acenta model. So you get remote central locking, and it does come with 2 remote keys. Interior lovely and tidy. Bolsters, etc. on the seats are all good. So remote central locking, 2 keys, you've got electric windows all the way around. It's 1 touch on the driver's side. And then as we make our way inside, you've got electronically adjustable door mirrors. Of course it has start-stop facility, which you can switch off, and then up onto the steering wheel. Again, no real signs of wear. You've got controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. Then on the other side, controls for your Bluetooth and radio, trip computer. A couple of cup holders, some storage, normal manual handbrake, which is always nice. There's your 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got some grippy storage down below, auxiliary port, USB, and then lots of piano black around the infotainment system. I'll start the car up. Just to show you the mileage, that's the mileage till the next service. And then the proper mileage should show up. There we go. 24248. Radio, CD of course, Bluetooth, and then you've got your climate controller as well down below. So it's all there, really straightforward, very easy to get along with, and obviously, like I say, nice to be up in the air a bit. Into the back, you've got these funky door handles at the top. And again, really nice and tidy. In the rear, you've got 3 proper headrests, 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seat, so it is a proper 5-seater. Electric windows in the back as well, loads of headroom. And then round to the load space. You've got a twin layered load space, which is nice. Parcel shelf at the top there, as you can see. Split folding rear seats. You've got this load space here at the top, which is flat, so if you've got a dog, some shopping, whatever, then ideal for that. And then this lifts up to give you much more room underneath. And underneath, no spare wheel these days, but you've got your compressor, locking wheel nut key, and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it. The ever popular Nissan Juke, 2016 on a 16 plate, 2 owners from new, just 24,000 miles with a comprehensive service history. Car will come supplied with 2 keys, an MOT until January of next year, and our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. Finance is available from just £185 a month, and we do offer extended warranties for £250 for 12 months as well. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always ever so popular, these Jukes, they fly out the door. This one's a really good value example, so I think it'll be snapped up. Thanks for watching.